Let's look at the bright side. I'm Mr. Brightside. Sorry. I'll stop before I get in trouble. Oh gosh. And awesome source. What? Hi! Oh, you guys can't even see him. I'm so upset. My little dog. Can I pet that dog? Anyways, let's stop being so weird so early in... I was about to say so early in the morning, but that's a lie. It's not early in the morning. It's very much the afternoons. It do be the afternoon time. Okay, you lie just there. Good boy. Okay, guys. Wait. This moves there. Awesome. That drops down there. Good. Can't see anything if that's there. Move my ES across slightly. Reset view. Okay. Now. I'm stuck. What am I stuck on? As long as I'm not driving over my dog's tail, I'm good. Holly, what up? How you doing? How are you? Sorry, I'm a little bit late. I'm a tad, but I'm very late. Oh, no. I'm not. I thought I was very late for a second. I stressed. I see this would not have worked. Ah, bummer. This would have taken me out, gone down pretty decently, then gone back up a second. Yeah. Unlux. Oh well. It's like just some liquidity sweeps to get going for those big pushes up. Oh well. Cool. Let's see now. Hey, Nanomix, how's it going? How you doing? Oh, Solly. Okay, so you like me. Don't worry, we can look at them together. Let's figure this out. I did want to do something quickly. No, rather do that later. Do this after. I mean, those are theoretically equal. Nice. Taken, not taken. Cool. Some liquid over there. Oh, what a big size. Ooh, an equal lows down here. Ooh, this is a juicy area. I know, Boom. I know. It's getting crazy up in here. Up $7. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But anyways, hey Thomas, how you doing? Big spender over here. I said earlier, drinks are on me. Felipe, no, I haven't. Sorry, I haven't had time to backtest. Life has been a little bit crazy. I will do my best to backtest this weekend. Sorry, the weeks have just been... Zeus of Liquidity, what up? How's it going? Ooh, nice Nanomix. That's amazing. Bob. Yeah, guys, we're on 4K, which means I must officially go and pick the top 4 cats. It's happening. Thomas K, the sub goal is 5K, so 1,000 more to go, and then I'm gonna get tatted, guys. Well, tatted a little bit extra, you know. Not like I'm not tatted already. Anyways. Bun, hi, how you doing? Only true trader, you did? Did you use my code? No pressure. No pressure. Asking for a friend. Sally. MU gaped up, maybe an all-time high. Ooh, maybe. Only true trader. You know what? You're the G today. Thomas K. Boom banana. I'm gonna end up getting a freaking boom banana tattoo, aren't I? I would say, does that have to do with trading? But I guess in this journey, apparently it does. Frick. Of all the things you guys could have suggested. Jordy, what up? How are you doing? How's it going? Trevor. Trevor, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Sorry, I'm having a good giggle. You guys are amazing. I must say, I didn't know what to expect when I started streaming. I don't think I ever expected to make friends. I know that sounds weird, but I legitimately see you guys as my friends. I get so excited to come on here and trade with you guys and hear you guys out and have these weird and wonderful freaking discussions, English, nailing it. Ooh, only true trader, nice, okay. Nanomix, what are the other platform? Nanomix, where you at? Because I'm on YouTube's as well. Is Geordie becoming everyone's favorite? Geordie, maybe you need to hop on and be my next co-streamer. Just a fun thought. Joe, you're in the bath. That's, I mean, good for you. I'm glad you're staying hygienic. The unknown, hi, how are you doing? Is South Africa safe to visit? Yes, as long as you go to, I mean, the safe spots, I guess. That's a weird thing to say, but you know, it's like anywhere in the world. There's some places just don't go there because it's a little bit, it's questionable. I'm trying to keep this very diplomatic. It's a little bit questionable in that area, but otherwise it's great. I mean, I go for runs by myself here. Yeah, no problems. Shocker, are we in? No, not yet. I'm waiting for open. I do be waiting for open, and let's have a quick look. See, I see we're still bullish. Let's check the 15-minute. Oh shoot, do you know what I haven't done? There's New York high. Where's London high at? Well, I guess this is London high. Where's London low at? Maybe that's the next question. There's a point. Okay. Only true trader, right? That's exactly. Oh, if it hasn't even broken out of this yet, wow. Oh, this was my bad day. This was Tuesday? Yes, I keep forgetting where we are. For some reason, I think it's because I didn't trade yesterday. For some reason, my brain's going, today is Wednesday. And I'm like, no, today is not Wednesday. Yes, oh, Geordie, you, I don't know if Rensler's going to hop on, but you must chat to Rensler. He wants to start with ES. And obviously, you trade ES, so that's good. Nanomix, you on Twitch. Oh, do you have YouTubes, or you just happy to chill there? Whatever works. Darth Vader, hi, and thank you for the sub. That's very nice of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mason, how you doing? There we go. Mark 1, what up? What up, what up? Heisenberg, hi. I'm so sorry, guys. I see I've missed a lot. There we go. Jordy, I don't know what you're talking about. There's never enough South Africans united together to create chaos. That's a lie. If ever gone to a club in South Africa, you know that's a lie. Oh my gosh, especially down here. Oh my gosh. And it's not even a club. If you just go out to a bar or pub, whatever you want to call it, by 10 p.m., get out. It's when fights start to happen. It's just not worth it. Just run away. Mason, I'm from South Africa. Hi. Only 2 trader probs, why only 10, by the way? Carlos, can I explain my trade? I'm not in a trade. Which trade? Like my strategy? Ducks Forts. What up? Fortis, sorry, what up? Oh, thanks, Bob. Yeah, guys, if you guys wouldn't mind pressing that like button. Really? Are they? There's lots of SA traders that are mad scams. I mean, yeah. You're Australian? That is so cool. There's a bunch of Australians here. I didn't. Oh no. Yeah. Carlos, what am I looking for? Well, I'm actually just waiting until New York Open. That will be in a minute. Oh, I don't have my seconds on. Oh, damn, I keep forgetting to do that. But it looks like what I think might happen. I am not right a lot of the time, so let's not take me at face value right now. But what I think might happen, it might come down, grab these equal lows, and then pop back up to head maybe for the New York or yesterday's New York high. What do you think? Zane, oh, you haven't heard. Okay, so I made a deal long ago. It doesn't feel that long ago, but long ago I made a deal. I made this deal before I had 1,000 subscribers. I said when I hit 5k subscribers, I will get a trading tattoo, but you guys get to pick the tattoo, and you guys get to pick where the tattoo goes. Okay, let me just rephrase this. Within reason. So, there is a little short. If you guys want to go put your little hat in the ring, where you guys can say what tattoo you think I should get, and then I will pick, let's say, maybe 5 of what I think could be the coolest ideas, and then you guys pick which one out of those 5 I get. Then I will pick, you know, parts like maybe my ribs or maybe the shoulder that goes under Sunny. Again, I'll pick like 4 or 5 areas, and then again you guys get to pick where the tattoo goes. So you guys essentially hold the cards with regards to that. Sorry, Zane, that was a very a short story long. Oh, see, I did not call that right. Mason in the chat. Hell yeah. I mean, there we go. Ducks, you're Aussie. Awesome. Solly, yes. Whoop, there we go. Well, it's just doing the opposite of what I thought it was. Carlos, yeah, so apparently I'm gonna do the opposite. Maybe look for a short setup, but I wait at least 5 to 10 minutes after New York opening for the volatility to calm down slightly. Diamond hands too. Oh, Ducksfords. So like I said, go there. There's a short that I posted. Go pop it in the comments there, and then we can do that. But that, Carlos, if it had gone to plan, I would have said, yeah, let's then look for longs once the short was. Oh wait, I see there's 2 equal lows. Ooh, maybe this is going to be a big drop now. But equal high is gone. Cool. Vishal, what up? How's it going? Rising stocks. Can we talk on call? I mean, what do you mean? Anthony, how are you? Okay. Tony. Okay, thank you. Only true trade. Are you serious? Is that what they tried to say? Take 5 Rand to 500k. What are they doing? Risking it all? Hey, Ricky. Okay, cool. So, like I said, guys, do not listen to me. I did specifically say it might be the exact opposite of what I thought. Listen to Ricky. Ricky called it. Well done, Ricky. Carlos, so I use my own little strategy and it kind of uses a combination of ICT and SMC concepts. Yeah, a little bit of auction market theory. Rising stock, you want to know how to trade. Me too, but I'm learning still. Liquidated, yeah. Took a loss on MU. Ooh, sorry, Nanomix. That's okay though. Still got plenty of time. Yeah, still got plenty of time, right? June. Is it day trading? Yes, this is day trading. Only 2 trader? What the heck? Wow. To be fair, I've seen a lot of things like that where they're like, oh, you know, just triple your money in one move, or this one trade works all the time, and then you try it and you go, does it though? Unless I'm just being blonde and I'm not getting it right, but I've tried. Ricky, no one is always right. No, that's true. That is true. That is true. Brunch time, full name. I could do with some brunch. This is trading? No, this is trading. We're waiting for a setup now. Let's see. It's taken out the equal highs. What do we think is going to happen? Is it going to continue higher and it's actually not going to go for those equal lows? Is it just stacking up liquidity right now? What do we think? What do we think is going to happen today, guys? I tried to call one thing. I was wrong. So, thoughts? Rising? No, I do not. But I do got Discord. Anyways. What expression for the last month? Quite accurate most of the time. DJ Clark can't. I've been checking on Apex. I haven't. Would that work with futures though? I don't know if that'll work with futures. No, Nanomix, that's true. Part of it is having to take your chances, like me a little bit earlier. So it wouldn't have worked. Jordy, remember that trade that I thought, let's see. Ooh, that's very fat and weird there. Cool. So literally would have gone up, wicked me out, gone down pretty decently, more than halfway, and then just up, and still wouldn't have even hit TP. But I'm still gonna forward test it a little bit. I think there could be something there. Hey Abhishek, what's up? How's it going? How's it going? NQ London low is 953. Is it? That isn't when New York opens, is it? I'm confused now. Guys, the times now are messing with my brain. What time? Thomas, there we go. What time is London low? I mean, London low. London Open. I thought London Open was, I'm sorry, I know this is confusing because I'm using South Africa time, but I mean, here's 8 a.m. I thought London Open was only like 9:30 a.m. South Africa time. Ricky, you're looking for price to go higher? Possibly. So curiosity is getting the best of me, right? Entry. Entry at stop loss. It's right by this order block as well. Did my damn VWAP just move again? I feel like it did. Fine. The fib really? Oh, yeah. So Jordy, I tried the OTE setups. It just didn't make sense. I'm not saying there's anything wrong. I'm not saying it doesn't work. It just, my brain wasn't comprehending where to look. They were saying use this use this range, but then they would do like the opposite. Maybe I just watched a really bad video and I just wasn't understanding what was going on. Took a second buy from the... So Ricky, ironically, that's what I forward tested. I don't know, you weren't here earlier, sorry. What I forward tested earlier, potentially having my setup look like this. Rather, maybe we could even make this a little bit bigger so it's below liquidity. I'm not sure. I mean, that's like a 4.5 hour trade. No way this isn't filtered. What? Anyway, Abhishek, did I earn anything today? I did. I'm up $7. I just had 2 break evens. Oh my gosh. Thomas, no, you will not be allowed to mark my charts because it would look like a Christmas tree. Nope. Okay, it did not work. So it did the opposite of what I thought. Instead of coming to take the equal lows on the sell side, it took the equal highs on the buy side, and now it looks like it might be going down. Let's see, or it's just gonna start ranging. It's what I've noticed. Correct me if I'm wrong or if you guys disagree or if you think opposite. George, 9 a.m. South Africa time. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for, well, helping me. Oh, Thomas K. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Jordy, thanks. Oh, Michelle, I won't go early today. Don't worry. How are you doing, by the way? I got distracted again. Have you guys noticed that when there's equal highs, it tends to grab it and then do a bit of a reversal, or not really? And why does this look like it low-key wants to start ranging? Right, only true trader. I'm also looking at this going, okay. Okay. Look at these candles, by the way. I mean, oh, okay, wait. Maybe a little bit bigger than 30-point candles, but I mean, these are, yeah, hectic. Michelle, you're funny. Are you saying I must add, or are you enjoying the background music? Solly, you guys are funny. You guys are real funny. I mean, I guess this range would have worked. I wouldn't exactly call... No, it wouldn't have even touched yet. Okay, this is not great yet. Oh gosh, and so it begins. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, maybe I should reset my ES chart. Oh, okay, so ES looks like it's slowly dropping. Jordy, how's it looking for your trades on ES? No, Nanomix, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry. Don't worry. You got this. This ES is just ranging. Yeah. Which is a bit of a bummer. I really thought there would be something decent today. DJ, hi. How you doing? How's it going? Abhishek, try streaming some games too. I've heard... Well, a few of you have said maybe I should try streaming some games. But I feel like you guys are gonna get annoyed. Yeah. Why is it funny I react that way? Sorry, should I be like, don't worry, I know. It's because, you know, it sucks and I get it. It is what it is. And there's always another trade and you can always make it up later. It sucks a little bit. Okay, Thomas, got it. Thank you. So where's the actual low then? Well, let me double check. Let's not just... So basically the equal lows around this area, the 972-ish area, is that the London low? Am I correct? I'm now doubting things. Is that right? Nah. Okay, New York high taken. At least we have a little bit of a breakup out of this. Come on. I hope this isn't just gonna be like seek and destroy patterns today. Hey, Facey TX. Oh, Bob, how you doing? Nanomix, I guess that's true. I know, but you know, it's nice to know that someone cares. I think. 972, 973 is the low based on our updated information. Okay, cool. Yeah, awesome. So that, I mean, theoretically, isn't that a really good point of interest? That 972, 971 area, because it's also equal lows, relative equal lows. So it's equal lows and London low. So shouldn't that be a interest point that the market might want to drop down to? Kiko, what up? Hey, Jack Sparrow, where you been? Search and destroy is Call of Duty. I'm sorry. You can destroy them, my bad. I've tried playing Call of Duty. I'm not great. I'm not great at it. You know, 100%. No, always the emphasis on my. Wow, this is just going all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down. What the heck? Maybe I'm wrong? I did not draw that accurately at all. I'm not in this, I'm not going to take this, but... Okay, thanks, Jordy. Your mother's name is Maya. Oh, yeah. Maya's a pretty name. The strong piano on has hit, so you patiently wait to see if it come down and get reaction. Until that happens. Like, yeah, no, that's valid, Thomas. Valid. Kiko, I can't complain. I mean, I'm up $7 today, so clearly we're good to go. Michelle? Gosh. Hey, Michael, how's it going? Oh, bouncer in the house. Or in the stream, rather. Bouncer in the chat. Bouncer in the chat. I'll move that away. I'll get in trouble. I know I'll get in trouble. Okie dokie. So, Jordy, remember I said the problem with the entry at the stop loss is that it tends to be the case of it taps it and then it just carries on going. I'm on it, Kiko. I'm on it. I'm on it. Watch, just because I said that, Jordy, it's now gonna go up to where TP would have been. Just because I said that. Michael, you know what? I can't complain. How are you doing? How's the trading been? Is everyone ready for the weekend? And hit. But then I was also thinking, what if entry is at... No, nope. That's just going down now. This is going down. I guess. But what exactly do you mean by time? Like time of day or just different sessions? Yes. Ooh, okay, that was a reaction. Now let's take in liquidity on both ES and NQ and hit VWAP. Cool. Just cool. Let's see if anything comes of this. Vishal, what songs are you singing? Where did you even get them? Oopsie. Sorry, I was messing around. Moving on, carrying on. Maybe that 0.2 level is more likely to be respected when it's not exposed to market open volatility. Oh, okay, yeah. Heisenberg. Is there? No? Also, it's past 10, isn't it? No, it's not past 10. I lied. I don't think there's news today, guys. Is there news today? What happened? What happened? I saw that comment. People say the weirdest thing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Thomas, I saw that there was news here. What time is that? At 2:30, so what's that? 8:30 EST time? Or 8:30 EST time, sorry. Is this maybe a goodie and I just put one micro... No. Patience is key. I need confirmation that this is not just seek and destroy behavior, right? Or is this potentially a good one for a short? Oh, okay. Nanomix, you're long on... Got it. Is Thomas now the secret source guy? I just called him the Christmas tree guy, but okay. Bob. Can you feel it sprouting as you watch? You should be proud, you grew it yourself. Thanks to the charts, but still. Top GG Top, what's up? How's it going? John Fred Meyer. Top GG Top, hell yeah. I've made $7 today. Just because I had 2 break-even trades. The point is, guys, I took a trade. I missed a winning trade, but I took trades. This country. Ricky, you took longs again? Really? I'm feeling shorts. I don't know. Really, Thomas? How does Bob know? Thanks, Top. Thanks, Top GG Top. Thank you. From the bottom. Oh, okay. Got it. But Ricky, you have... Okay. I was about to say, you have quite small positions, don't you? Or smallish. And this is why I need confirmation. That we're headed in a direction. We're not literally just playing games. Yeah, Bob, it was a good session watching Thomas's chart there. And then I missed Bob's chart. I was very bummed. I didn't get to see Bob's secret source, but it's fine. Got to see Thomas's, so it's fine. Okay, true, Ricky. Maybe I should have taken it. But I needed confirmation first, so it is what it is. Boom Banana, what up? Oh, thanks for the new sub, by the way. Okay. Hey, Boom, how's it going? How's it going? So not more 5 contracts is fair. Oh, okay, Ricky. Damn. Ricky, is it? No, it's not your first trade today, but... Did you only start trading New York session, or were you trading a little bit pre-market? Boom jumped on me because yesterday was tickling your TP and I was gonna hit the flat one. Damn. Life is going boom, and that sounds bad. Yeah, Bob, trust in Boom sometimes. But trust in Boom. Okay. Get a bit of a support area here, damn. What did it do? All its big moves and now it's run out of juice. Hell yeah, right, and that's why this community is thebomb.com. Yes, I know how lame that was, but it's fine. Oh, okay, cool, Ricky, nice, nice. Trust and Bob, oh my goodness. Well, boom to say that, Bob. Well, boom to say that, Bob. Okay, I found English again. Then you know. Then you know. Yeah, Bob, this is not looking promising right now, is it? Okay, another long taken and looking to close. Okay. Maybe soon. A little tap into that fair value gap. It's kind of rejecting off of these two. It's in this little bit of a range here. Shocker! Oh, no. What did I just say? Shocker, oh no. And then I wanted to make a joke and say, that's a shocker, and then somehow words came out of my mouth that weren't making any sense. It's fine. It's fine. Zubair, hi, how you doing? How's it going? Oh no! Boom's in the red! I was gonna say something, I was like, no, I know what's gonna happen. Karma's gonna come and bite me in the ass if I'm mean now to Boom Banana, so I'll be quiet. I'll just be quiet. Oh, nice, Ricky. Okay, well, enjoy. Well done. I think Ricky deserves a bunch of whoop whoops. That's amazing. Well done. Sorry. My face is so itchy today. Shaka, all good so far. I'm glad. I'm glad. So Boom, are you then just done for the day? What's the plan? Ah. Never mind. Okay. Inside of premium. Thomas, do you mean at premium or discount? Why would you not want to be in discount? Sorry, I'm trying to understand this. First day of month, I'm in red. It's not the first day of the month. You're making me question my life here. Okay, no, we're good. Oh, like, what? Oh, first... Okay. I got it. First day this month that you were in red. Sorry, I was like... Did I miss a few days? What happened? Did I black out? Zubair, that's okay. Can you turn it around? And I mean, having one day in red out of... I just looked at the date and now I've forgotten. Out of 16 is not bad. Gosh, I'm not doing really well, am I, today? Might hold this overnight. Does strong for the day. New all-time high though. Ooh, nanomix. No, well done. Damn, look at you go. Okay, your current zone is for shorts. Yes. I feel like my life is in question now. Is this the premium zone? Was this the discount zone? I thought this was the discount zone. Sorry. Wow. I might be wrong. I'm sorry. That's why I was confused. I was like, but this is premium. Why do I want to enter in premium? Sorry, Thomas. Yes, that is a valid point. So instead of having the entry down here, wait for it to actually pop up here. But then where are you saying the stop loss should be? Around 0 or higher? Right, or if it wants to go for that liquidity grab. Oh, here we go. I should have taken it, but I do have a valid reason for not taking it, I feel. I needed confirmation first. Jordy, take some of that email money and get a microphone. Oh. So there you're gonna short. Nice. Hello. So essentially going, instead of just 50%, looking, here's around 50% of the fair value gap. Let's go, boom, there's entry. Let's go for take profit. But then again, the question is, where would... So maybe we make the stop loss just above 50% the order block, because sometimes it pops up a little bit higher. I mean, that's a 3-hour trade, but I guess with this one you can make it closer to VWAP. Let's see. Sorry, we're yes. Do candles form every minute? L-Dog, yeah, candles form every second. There's 5-second charts. I'm not brave enough to do that. I know some people trade 5-second charts. No thanks. Anyways. Jordy, wouldn't you even be able to get like one of those clip-on microphone thingies that people get? Wouldn't, and those aren't too expensive. Wouldn't take a lot. Hell yeah, Bob. That's a great plan. I'm happy about that. I'm just, yeah, I think we just all need confirmation of what the heck this market's about to do. Yeah, let's see. 10-second shots are very good and clear when moves are strong. But Nike, you sometimes use 10 seconds. 1 second shots where the money at. Yeah. Boom banana? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Which way do we think this is headed? I think that's the problem. This is quite a big support level going on around here. There's a lot of support. Oh, Geordie, I think it's a sign. I think it's a sign. Because I'm pretty sure you can use that like with your phone even. You just plug in the other side. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Yeah, Zane, this is not great. You think ES is going to drop to 6716? Okay, so that's a promising time for shorts. Well, let's see. When setting a target, I think about what kind of resistance I'm dealing with. Internal lows and the bullish order block. Okay. Okay. So because of internal lows and whatnots, this potentially, I mean that's a 2-hour trade right there, and it would have been tag in. Wait, let me pop this over. There we go. So it would have been tag in. Let me draw it where it would have been. Tag in a little bit. Let's say I took partials. Grab partials, move to break even, and then gone down. I mean, that's not bad. That's not bad. Range bound, just a teeny tiny little bit, just a tad bit. Check there. Literally bounced off of the support zone. Level? Zone. Same thing. The Rock, you're long here. Nice. Why? Out of curiosity, what made you decide you wanted to go long? Jordy, I like that idea. Discord people unite. Let's go. Bob, you're about to yell. Where's DJ to yell at you? Nanomix? Interesting. That's so funny. Anyways. Does anyone else trade stocks? What are your thoughts? DJ's in a meeting. Gosh, okay. Where's Wolfie? Wolfie needs to yell at you. I feel like you'll listen to what... Yeah. Absolutely loves it. Oh my god, I see it. Yo, go on, Bob. Pop it up on Discord. I won't be able to watch, unfortunately. But I think if you're gonna YOLO, I think it's a good time. You love especially. Especially. Am I having a stroke or something? What the heck is going on today? Where did I originally have this? I had it... I don't even remember where I originally had it. Theoretically, my brain would go equal lows. Remember how I said I think it's going to head for the equal lows? Out of genuine curiosity, let's see if it would have hit. Would have been nearly a 4-hour trade. Shocker, you do stocks are crazy. Stock times 10%. Damn. Aw. Sorry, L-Dog, that sucks. Zubair, why are you yelling? Damn, what did I do? Bob, no YOLO. Good, good, good. Oh, okay, thanks, Knight. Thanks, Knight. They're all much of a muchness, but not much of a muchness. Hey, here we go. We've broken through that resistance level. Well, there's that TP. So if I had entered my normal, the 50 cent setup, would have been there. That would have been TP hit. If I'd entered higher, let's see if it reaches the equal lows. If I wanted to be super greedy, I would aim for the London low and equal lows, but let's maybe calm down a little bit. Bob, you're just scared DJ's gonna yell at you. I know the truth. It's not that your YOLO days are over, you just know that DJ will come and she will yell. Okay, well, it popped out of that little range finally. Ooh, okay, Bob, cool. Hey, Johan, how's it going? How's it going? Okay, sorry, I'm just shrinking it so it's not annoying me. I mean, here's actually pretty decent because it's right by the fair value gap. Got the protection. The problem is it might pop up a little bit higher before it goes back down. One upside so it doesn't drop as quickly as ES. Oh, nice. Okay, interesting. It did also just take all of this liquidity, which means there might be a bigger momentum. Let's leave it there. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Don't mind me. It's a big push up. And sorry, I thought I saw something. ST Trader, did I? I didn't even see a comment, sorry. What did you say? Only problem is it's against VWAP. Well, there's the tap in, a little tap into this order blocky there. Hi. Are we just going back into the range? Only true trader, you'd like to see some longs. Let's see, this might be it. This kind of looks like it's headed back into the flipping range, which kind of sucks. ST, I'm from South Africa. Although with the bot I could only place market was. Oh, interesting. Oh, Thomas. Because ES took London low, I think it's gonna just start climbing. You guys, don't be greedy. Oh, then that's pathetic, L-Dog. Yeah, if it's gonna be wrong half the time, that's just annoying. Jordy, yeah, I agree. ST, yeah, what's the question? What? Shocker? What? But you fancy a dippity dip today? What? Cool. I've seen the trends with SMT have higher probability of working out, and we just had SM. Interesting. Hello. Oh. World coin. Can I talk about world? What do you mean? Well, not me, Geordie, but anyone else? You're okay. Wow, this sucks. I kind of expected more from New York today. What the heck? So the one day, how was everyone's trading day with New York yesterday, by the way? Seeming as I missed it. How was it? No, don't worry. Louis, just getting started. It's been just rangy. Just rangy right now. I mean, big moves, but not going anywhere. Or consistently, rather. Some of these guys made money on the big drop. Nice. Good for them. Yeah, flip. That entry level again. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm forward testing some things today. Maybe that's better. So it doesn't use the model. Sorry, this is my own little strategy that I'm slowly trying to improve on. So that's why I'm saying I'm forward testing. I'm having a look of where I can improve it. Maybe up the R's, maybe make the entry better. Yeah. But I use some of the ICT concepts. So like the fair value gap for entries and the order blocks. You know, all those fun things. Hey, Dark Angel, how you doing? Oh, dog. Oh, sorry. So there was a support zone around here. You can see how it literally was respecting it. I just drew it there for when it finally broke out of that support zone. And this one up here is for this little itty bitty order block. Yeah. I wanted to see something with regards to a potential new way of doing a stop loss. I'm going to keep it there so I remember why I made my stop loss there. Do I know anything about Enigma 369? No, what is that? Dark Angel? You know what? It was, I mean, I'm up $7, so big spender over here. So just 2 break-even trades for me this morning. Nothing hectic. 1 missed trade. It is what it is. I mean, technically 2 missed trades now because this would have been a win, so I'm messing around with potentially improving my strategy. Only true trader, you're an ES long right now. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Nice. Not come far enough down to get me. I would. Oh well. It is what it is. Louis, since April. Yeah, I'm still new. Why it's called Teach Maya Trading, not Maya Teaching Trading. I'm not qualified to be teaching people yet. At all. Okay, I'm assuming Boom Banana's making up his money, right? Ooh, okay, nice, Nanomix, nice, that's amazing. That's amazing. Shocker, yet. Okay, there we go, nice, Boom. Nice, do you feel better now? No. So I've still been doing some eval accounts, Louis. Yeah, like I said, I'm here to be very much open and honest. It's why I literally display everything up for the world to see. You know, I'm not here to pretend like I'm making millions. Boom's not salty anymore. Yeah, I'm not here to pretend like I'm making millions or that I am the best trader in the world. No, 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 no. Nope. I'm still figuring things out. Yeah, Boom's no longer salty. Thank heavens. Yo. Sorry. Oh. It's been hectic. I didn't sleep properly last night again. Oh, yeah. Life. Okay, took out those. But we're going to have a big retest again. For possibly taking out the external liquidity. Ooh, because that's on the external liquidity. Or was it this small range? Damn, looks like it may have been the small range. Aw, thank you. Only true trader. London session doesn't count. Okay. Sure. Let's see if the small range was the place to be. Ah, okay. Thomas, I see what you mean. So here, the first fair value gap, center of the first fair value gap could have been entry. Then again, this is around actually the middle of the order block. We made that up there. That's now all of a sudden a 3.6R trade. Nope, that would have been a fail. A fail. Make entry here. Nope, this is just up to there. I wonder if this would work. Sorry, I'm now just refining things. The only problem is this flipping fair value gap. Oh, these lines? Right? Is that what you're asking, Eldog? Sorry for not paying attention. Oh, Louis, I mean, if you want, you can chill here with me. It can get a little bit overwhelming, but everyone here is really patient with me, and you can learn from my mistakes or my lessons. Let's change the narrative there a little bit. You can learn from my lessons. It's never a lost trade or losing trade. It's always a lesson. Only two trade. No, what happened? Oh, Eldog. Okay, so this was my strategy. Louis, I'm sorry, I have ADHD, so I jumped off topic there. But if you want to learn, like I said, I'm still very new, so I still explain things very simply, I think. I do. And like I said, this community here is amazing. Amazing. So if you ever have any questions and you want things explained nicely, 'tis the place to be. But moving on. Lichen, hi, Eldog. So, Eldog, essentially this is my strategy that I'm trying to improve on, see if I can up it a little bit, you know, up the R's. But literally I would go bottom of the range, top of the range. That's what you draw. Here is the 50% of the range. That would initially be, or originally be, my entry. So my trades would normally look like this. There's entry, the 0.2 level, so 30% of the 50% of this bottom half of the 50% is my stop loss, and then 2R up is my take profit. So basically it's my GAN blocks. Oh, Louis, no, don't worry, it is confusing, and it's a lot. It's a lot in the beginning, especially in the beginning. But I mean, when I started, it's going to be a win. It's going to be a winning trade. Is it? Maybe not. Maybe I'm just saying that. Didn't take out the highs on ES or here. Oh my gosh, it was stop loss hunting. Why is my stop loss within the bottom candles? Are you talking about this one? Yeah? Is that what you're asking? Shoot. Let's see if this would have hit TP. Only true trader, you could. ST trader, it is. Yes, it is. Anyways. What got me into trading? So basically, just I wanted the freedom. Freedom from bosses, freedom, you know, financial freedom, big thing as well. So essentially I got into trading for the freedom. It still aggravates me. So like Tuesday was a red day. I kind of took yesterday then off from trading because I just felt like I was a little bit stuck. Today I feel like I'm seeing things a little bit better. I could be wrong though, but I mean, like this, check. This would have been such a nice flipping entry and such a nice trade. I didn't take it. That's the doubt in the psychology. Psychology is a thing. Anyways. See, I'm getting aggravated just thinking about it because I get frustrated with myself because I know I could do better. I see you put it on the solid bar looking there. With full TP, you need to get through the bearish fair value gap. Yep. And the bearish order. I know. That's why I was a little bit skeptical of this. I didn't think it would pop up as much as it did. But it is right by this liquidity. Ooh, I guess there's two order blocks here. Oh, this is actually what this one popped off of. Never mind. Ooh, there we go, Thomas. See, but I'm not in it. Oh well, it is what it is. C4. Interesting. I'm not that brave yet. Yeah, I need my TP limit. I use some ICT concepts. I don't just trade ICT, I use some concepts of ICT. Abraham, how's it going? Damn. Oh, okay, Nanomix. Let's keep fingers crossed. Let's hope it goes well. Okay, give me 2 seconds. My dog's asking me to let him out. Harry. No, not worth it. Take loss and stuff. Hey, Jordy, give me 2 seconds. That's what you missed. I'm forward testing the potential new trade check. This is where I made the potential entry. Would have been a good entry. I placed this before the candle went down there. I kept the original TP though, so this would be a 2.5 hour trade, which is not bad. Not bad. I'm back. Ah. Oh, guys, what? Back just in time to watch this happen. Cool to know that this would work, right? Then I just need to refine. Let me check this quickly. Let's refine this order block. I use this one. There it goes. There it goes. Is he speaking today? Envy, how's it going? How's it going? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay. 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 This forward testing isn't going too bad. Nanomix, what's my biggest weakness at the moment? Oh, that would be definitely my mental side. I start overthinking and then I don't take winning trades. I mean, here's a great example. This could have potentially been a 3-hour trade. Anyways. Oh, why do I put it within the candle I just measured? Because it's a bit of an order block and it tends to at least, I mean, check. It literally tapped into it and then went back up. That's fine. Yeah, I'm basically measuring out the order block. And Nanomix, I actually journal them on live, so you can see. There we go. All this writing, all this mess is me kind of journaling on the live. Sorry. It looks chaotic, but it helps me. I can go back, I can read through each and every single trade, and I can be like, yes. So yeah, I journal literally there. DJ frequency. So sorry, I'm trying to refine my strategy a little bit, but it was 45% with the 1 to 2 R. It's not bad. Obviously you want it better, but 1 to 2 R means you're still in the profits with 45%. But now I'm trying to refine it even more and get it even better to make the entries just that little bit better. Okay, Geordie. Okay. What would the points be? Like entry at fair value gap. Stop loss. I need to figure out the stop loss. I think that's what I'm kind of forward testing. Like the stop loss here would have been fantastic. 50% or even at VWAP. You know, it could have very easily gone down, tapped into VWAP, had a bit of a wick, and then gone up. Oh, thanks, DJ Frequency. Yeah. Oh, only 2 trader on fire? Oh, thanks, ST Trader. You're so sweet. Yeah, guys, if you wouldn't mind liking this stream, let's grow the community of amazing people. Only amazing people allowed, just putting it out there. And believe me, the bouncers are on it. They will make sure. By tighten your loss, your win increases instantly. I know, I know. Sidekicks. Hi. Val, what up? How's it going? DJ, not true. What's happening? What's not true? Okay. Now. It's taken the external liquidity. Ooh. Only on NQ, not on ES yet. What do we think it's gonna respect? Now that it's taken this high, do we thinking? Oh my gosh. Okay. That's not great, is it? Geordie, it's the range. Yeah. I use the range for the fib. And break of structure gives you your current range. Okay. No, I know, Nanomix. I know. But that's, like I said, the mental side. I need to get over it. I need to get over that some of them are going to be losses, and it is what it is. You know, the problem might be that I'm very competitive and I like winning, but I can't have that. Aw, ST, you're very sweet. Thank you. Look for retracement at this level. With which range though? Would it not want to, again, potentially being the keyword, would it not want to potentially come back down to this inverse fair value gap? Or would that have happened there rather? Now it just looks like it's running away. Oh, okay, wait, took out the external liquidity on ES, or took out all the external liquidity on ES. Do you think there's going to be a big drop back down? Hey Gabriella, what's up? It's a lot. If I don't think if you know trading concepts, when you're reading just this chat, you're like, this isn't real. No, that's valid. Yeah, it's a valid question, Geordie. Sabotage. Whoop. Then that just broke. Could that be interesting? Okay, to put over reversals pattern and give you a clear sign to at least once you understand what every zone means. Yes, that's true. If it's a bear center, come back up, sweep before tanking lower. Ooh. Okay, yes, Jody. There we go. Step 1. Mystery Motion 7, what's up? How's it going? The strong draw volume, it's behind the wood. No, the strong draw volume is behind it. Okay, turn back. Off to the race. Got it, got it. Georgie, there's no turning back now. You think it's going to come down to this level? This... I sometimes call it a shelf level. I don't know if that's correct though. I mean, this isn't a terrible level. There's some liquidity sitting underneath. There is a little fair value gap below here. This is a very valid entry. Hey, Gabby's back. What up, Gab? How's it going, Gabby? Thanks for the super chat, Gabby. Legit wait for downtrend. You think this is going to turn? Really? With this flipping momentum it's having to the upside? No, no pressure. No pressure. And after that you look why. Can't read it, zoom out to see. Sorry, I'm zooming out as much as possible. Ignore the... Wait, give me a second. There we go. Just jump to a higher time frame as well. Don't be bad. Imagine who respects this. Michelle, what's up? Michelle, I don't... Okay. That wasn't me, it was Geordie. Can't mess with my bounces. Okay. Does it respect the bullish breaker blocks properly, Thomas? Okay, so not there. Mark, you think this kind of does look like a Christmas tree? This will never look like a Christmas tree compared to Thomas's. I'm just saying, just putting it out there. Sorry, I'm being really quiet. Really trying to see this forward testing. Trying to do it properly now. Jordy, why did you delete your message? I wasn't able to copy paste it yet. Put it back. The society we're losing is fun. It takes a while to rewire your brain, letting things be as they are. You'll get there. No, that's true, Nanomix. That's true. Oh, cheers, Vishal. Did he? You lie, Geordie. Did he really? Inducement, I guess. Yeah, looks like it. Thank you. Sheep, what up? Sorry, it's more like sheep. What's up? Chop. Okay, Val, let's see. Oh. Let's see if this reverses. Let's see if this reverses. Sorry, I know I'm doing a bit of like boring forward testing today, but I'm learning a lot. I hope you guys are too. What do you say? I think for a lot of you this is just like, knew this already. Random? No, this is not Bitcoin. This is Nasdaq futures. DK, what up? Lots of sheep equals sheep. One sheep is a shop. No, I'm joking. Also a sheep. Step 3 wood finding a support. Anyway. I was thinking stop losses entry. Let's see if we're gonna go back up. Or if this is indeed a little bit of a shift back down. I mean, there was a good shelf. Fair value gap. The breaker block. And Val, you still think it's gonna pop up? Like I said, I'm kind of forward testing right now, which is cool. It's good. Good forward test. Good to have a bit of a forward test. There we go. There do be the steps. Need to move them a little bit that way. We won't be able to see them when I zoom in, but they are there for the world to see. No pressure, Geordie. Shocker, yes. Well, yes. Today, bias on bullish, if you're right. ST Trader, it looks like it. It appears to be that way. Hey, Sudden, how you doing? Also, hi. How's it going? Well, that's true. Markano? Okay, I'm curious. I'll go have a look now. We are the change S&P right here. Not so much the VIX though. I've been hearing a lot about the VIX though. TP hit, let's go. Only true trader, whoop whoop. That is amazing. Well done. Sheep, wouldn't it just be easier if you joined my Discord? doing? How's it going? 8:23 p.m. Damn, it's late. Your TP was it? Oh, only true trader, amazing. And you're only telling me now. What the heck? Be that way, it's fine. No, joking, I'm joking. Yeah, I mean, like I said, I was thinking, so Geordie, it's why I moved the block over. I was thinking this. To be fair, I probably would have made entry around the 50%. I'm not sure about stop loss though. That's the only thing I'm still having. I probably would have wanted it at that 0. And then up again. Hoping it breaks the highs. I mean, that's a 3.42 strat. Maybe even that's a bit greedy. I can still move this down, maybe just aim for the highs. That's a 3R strat right there. What do you think? Hell yeah, guys. Only true trader gets the best. A whoop whoop. You weren't at your PC. Wow. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Sudden, yeah. Only true trader. We are all super proud. Super proud. Only true. I'm sorry. I meant Geordie. I saw your name above Geordie's. I'm sorry. Geordie, yes. That's why I'm low-key forward testing now, right? See it in live action time. Forward test is you guys as my witnesses. Oh, nanomix. Okay, cool. Valued bye, yeah. Well, thank heavens you got this. So, Sudden, you think the stop loss is too low, or rather too big, right? Move it to an equal, and it's a nice 3 to 1. India, I'm in South Africa. No, sorry, ST Trader, I don't. Envy, I have. Envy, you need to join. After the roses, hey. Simano, hey. How's it going? Ah, poopies. Ah, okay. I'm so confused. I just heard a donkey. Why did I just hear a donkey? Anyways, moving on. So, Geordie, remember I said when it takes my stop loss, it tends to go all the way down? Remember I told you that the very first time, I say this like we haven't only been doing this today. But I mentioned if it taps into the stop loss, tends being the keyword. Sorry. I'm looking at the messages. Sheep? What? Anyways, moving on from that. My face feels so itchy today. I don't know if it's because I don't know. No idea. I mean, stop loss wouldn't have been hit yet. Let's see. Jordy, I love how we're just like, Thomas, Thomas, come tell us what's happening. Benchmark last second break of structure. Money mindset. Hi. I thank you for the compliment. Update about DOGE? No idea. Sorry. Yeah. Back to my previous entry. I think this might potentially go down now, in which case I'm in which case this is not bad. But I don't know, it's now specifically taken out that tapped into this, but it's not disrespecting it as much as I thought it would have. Oh, that's okay, Envy. I will. Yes. Envy, you got my email, right? Pop me an email. I'll send you the Discord link. Okay. Okay. Sorry, this does look like a Christmas tree. What? The whole range? Okay, cool. This? Like so? Cool. So normally then my entry would be here. Should I give it a try? Let's give it a try. Let me get over myself. Let's make this just 3 contracts. If it's a loss, it's a loss. I don't care. It is what it is. This could be a mistake. Entry at the stop and stop at the lowest point. No, not focus on writing, it's not focused on person. Thomas come on, if you're gonna tap up, tap a little bit further. Problem is it does look like it's wanting to go up more. Like I said, I don't care if it's a loss. The point is at least I'm taking it. I'm stopping the overthinking. I'm keeping with the original strategy until I've done enough forward testing and I know if it's worth it. Right? That's the point of testing. I know obviously back testing would be good, but forward testing, even better. It's gonna pop up now. No, don't be such a negative Nancy, right? So partials. Okay. Oh. Well, we got partials. Cool. Come on, take out that little bit there. Nanomix, pop me an email, I'll send you a link. Email sweet and simple teachmyotrading@gmail.com. Nothing weird, no dots or exclamation marks or anything like that. Nice and simple. Okay, a little bit of a supply zone there, clearly. But it wants to drop down. It wants to drop down, so with this... Yep, looks like that would have been dumb. I'll say, would this have been dumb? Oh, okay. What's just happened? What just happened? No! Shoot. Shoot, because it took the partials. Oh well, I'm still up, so it's fine. Fix that once taken partials. Noted. Dagnabbit. There's a crazy storm going on outside. Damn. At least I'm up. Hey! Okay. Okay. Not bad. Could have been better. But Boom Banana, close it. I did close it. Don't worry. Damn. Oh, wait, sorry. This is up for the range. Holy cow. I don't think you guys can hear the rain. Markano, I'll go check. That was a good entry. Hey! Remember I mentioned the inverted fair value gaps earlier? Inverse. Inverted? Same. Check! That would have been my entry. Do we think it's gonna go up now? Lichen, thank you. Nicely called. I was going to be sassy. The sassy South African wanted to come out there. Don't be sassy. Leave it alone. Mono, no. No one gets the phone number. Trade into a daily supply. So Tube Treasure, explain a little bit further for me, please, if you wouldn't mind. Sorry if it's a dumb request. We are changed at this red line. You would take an entry. Really? Why there? Yeah, 100% Jordy. So earlier I mentioned these, I guess it's a smaller range there. There we go. The inverse fair value gap, literally where it just tapped into. I would have wanted entry there, but this is a tad bit large and I don't know. I don't know where I would have placed stop loss. Sorry. Oh, sorry, LP. Yes. Oh, valid. I didn't even put this as a win. It was chaotic, but it was a win. Let's pop this bad boy back up. Back up. There we go. Let's get this correct now, please, Maya. That would be grand. Awesome sauce. Okay, let's zoom in so it doesn't look so... Wow, this was a quick one, actually. This is a win. Sorry, this is looking like a Christmas tree. This is looking a bit chaotic. Sorry if this is hurting anyone's eyes. Aw, Samana, that's very sweet. Thanks. MG, yo, what up? Gonna retest again for liquidity sweep. Jordy, that's what I was thinking, right? If I did enter at this gap, maybe where this stop loss is? I mean, it's protected. Maybe below here. So let's, I mean, this is a massive range. I don't think I'm good enough yet to be doing that. But let's pretend right now that I did this. Made it, let's say I made it 50% of that order block, that block that I have there. Yeah, nearly a 3-hour trade there. But would I have made it that high, or would I have gone rather just for the highs? So it's a 2.43 trade. Jordy, what? What did I miss? Ah, sorry, I didn't even read it. Ah, cool. There we go. Tommy, no, this is very chaotic. I apologize. This is extremely chaotic right now. Just the highs 2 are solid. Thanks, Jordy. Okay. Let me get rid of some of the noise right now. This one would have been a loss, unlucked, unless I maybe took a partial. Maybe I would have gone break even. Who knows? This one would have been a flipping good trade. So I'm keeping it up for curiosity's sake. This one, let's say, would have been break even. If I didn't go break even, would have been a loss. Let's calm everything down for a second. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Let's zoom in back here. There's quite a lot of resistance. Thought of 16th month. Shocker. Funny. Dita, you've been flat since Monday. I'm sorry. Support, it's going down. Based on the set limit. Yeah. MG, you don't do day trading. Do you do any form of trading? Do you... or not really? Aw, thanks, Angie. You're very sweet. Samana, thanks. And Angie is like, some criteria for picking out the range. Jordy, what do you mean by picking out the range? Tammy, no, don't worry. Like I said, I've only taken the one trade. And luckily it was a win. Yeah? It was a win. Thank heavens. I'm up $45. I told you guys, drinks are on me. Yeah, tell him, Envy. Tell him. Babat's boss? Sorry if I butchered that. No reason. I think I just enjoy watching the charts. I know investing is more of you put it there and you walk away and you leave it, right? I think I just enjoy coming on the charts each day and watching things play out and trying to see moves and learning constantly, you know. So instead of being a bit more hands-off with it, actually being a part of it, if that makes sense. Also, it's just what I started with. Maybe I should have just started with that. I started with this, and I've been enjoying it, so I'm gonna stick with it. So for stocks you're long term, nice. For crypto I'm doing swing trading. Oh cool, MG, nice. Yeah, listen, I think they yeah. I want to say they're similar, but no, I feel like it's a whole different ball game. Same concepts you look for, but just obviously much larger scales. Lichen, downtrend's not finished yet. How far down do you think it's gonna go, Lichen? Hi, how are you? And you know, I wasn't sure if I was gonna pop a trade in, and then I saw this and I was like, I kind of like how this one looks, and I popped it in. Nox, how's it been going? Was it a big win? No. Billy the kid, hi. It's like $40, but still, a win's a win. Analysis paralysis, take that. Part of looking at ranges. So I'm more likely to use their lows as liquidity than get an. Okay. Thanks for the subs, guys. I'm sure we're fine still. I'm sure we're fine. I was about to say, how are we looking? How nervous should I start getting with regards to my 5K challenge? Like Thomas said, he used the low and cleared something and will break with structure. Then that was the range used to determine the premium versus the discount. But it makes sense, as opposed to selecting a random range, not knowing where price may draw to. Being both not providing some trading for quick money if there are chances. Ah, that's fair. Sorry, I saw your previous one now. I've only been doing it since April, so I'm still new. That's why you can see I'm learning as I'm going, and everyone's helping me out, and we're trying to refine things together. Like I said, I love this community. You guys are so cool, but I'm still learning. So I've only been doing it since April. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. I would never call this easy, ever. Anyone's ever like, is trading easy? I'll kick them in the face. No, it's not. Nox, have you started paper trading or not really? Omar, what's up? How should you start learning trading? The technicals and the psychology. I think you have to find a strategy that you understand and that works for you. Because every strategy works, it depends on the person and how they utilize it. Yeah, like utilize works. And then the psychology. Oh my gosh. Discipline, have your rules and stick with them. That's That's it. Try not to overthink things. And I think most important thing is have money you feel comfortable losing, especially in the beginning. The other change, yeah, I agree. It's terrifying. Jordy, Zane, did you get on any trades? Oh, Tube Treasure, you're so sweet. Thank you. Ah, Peter, you are welcome. Tom. Oh gosh, you guys are funny. I just randomly spawned in your feed. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. That's amazing. But spots new, probably not. But I think I'm enjoying it more than I would have with just. Oh my gosh, there's a hectic storm going on right now, but it's fine with. Lichen, thank you. I appreciate that. That's very sweet. I feel like you're lying, but I appreciate it. No, I think we're all learning from each other. We are the change, read trading in the zone. There we go. Yeah, there's a bunch of books. I'm sure there's a bunch of, you know, people you can also watch on YouTube who have their different, like, I mean, the 15-minute or the 5-minute orb strategy as well. You know, I think those are fairly easy for newcomers. I don't know what their win rate is, though. Does anyone know what the 5 or the 15-minute orb win rate is? I know some of you trade them, so out of curiosity. Shocker, that's the thing. So paper trading is great to find the market structure that works for your strategy. However, I think it's really different when you are live trading and it's real. Then the emotions are a B. They're just a B. Catch my drift. Roller man? Oh! Roller! Rolling arm. There we go. Man, well done. Whoop whoop, that is amazing. Thomas. I remember, Thomas, you said you taught people and they enjoyed your way of trading. I didn't know they just stopped then. That kind of sucks. Oh, Zane. Okay, yeah, well done. Just sit on your hands. That's... Can't you lock yourself out? I don't know how to lock myself out yet, but apparently you can. Maybe just lock yourself out for the rest of the day. 15-minute orb is execution. If you execute well, then you could have a 100% win rate. Ooh, Tom. Yeah, actually, wait, Thomas, you brought up the 15-minute orb the other day. How would the 15-minute orb have looked today? Potentially not great. Wait, actually. Can we quiet down the noise for a second? Let's go into the 15-minute. Oh, wise one. There we go. Yes, we will be your little pad ones. There we go. Obi-Wan Kenobi. AZ silver stocks, are they going up, up, and away right now? Sudden depends on market speed. Okay, wait. Here we go. I guess it depends on where you would have put your take profit, hey, because here's a proper breakup. Wait, let's have a look at the 1 minute again. I'm so sorry, guys. The Christmas tree is happening again. This is very overwhelming for new people. I apologize. Renzler, hey! Renzler. Geordie and Bob. I know they trade ES. Anyone else here trade ES? Renzler's looking at trading ES. I mean, Geordie, yeah. That's what I'm looking at here. Let's see, where, oh, okay. Ignore that one for a second. Ignore that one. That's fine. I mean, there didn't hear it broke out properly. Literally right there. So then where would you have the entry? How would you set that up? I mean, that would have been a good one depending on entry. So, Geordie, are you actually trying to find a new strategy, or what's the plan here? Ah, what's the plan here, Geordie? That's okay, don't stress. Ah, well, I mean, one little win and 2 little break evens, but they were winning break evens, so I'm up $45. Oh, okay, and it's going back down now. Interesting. So with regards to this one, sorry, I know I'm doing a lot of like forward testing today. Apologies, I'm sure this might be boring for some people. Why did I make it there? Theoretically, it should have been down there. Doesn't matter. Lichen, I was just about to say Lichen. Nice. Solid call on the the melt to the freaking center of the earth, apparently. Oh, nice, Thomas. And I'm assuming they're profitable, right? Everything still looks like it. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Screen from bottom to top and set the timer for it, and you can learn the stop loss from it. Okay, sudden. Ah, thanks, Jordy. Yeah, you are. But, like, are you? Would you trade, like, the 15-minute orb? That's that one right there. Oh, this is huge. This is massive. Is your zone coming? Under the sun? No. South African all the way, baby. I mean, make sure your stop loss is not off that cliff. Yes, Sudden. You did say it. No, Nox. I think it's just been building up. I think. I could be wrong. Oh yeah, back in my previous trade, you're right. Huh. And here, let's see if it respects this. Maybe not. Shaka, and how does it work for you? Yeah. Question mark, Zane? I think so. Geordie. Really? Why? Is it going for the London low now? Took out the London high, now going for London low. Nice, Shocker. Yeah, I mean, that's true. Rocket bearish. Yeah. I like to say, you know, because everyone says when it starts pushing up hectic that it's going to the moon. So I always like to say that it's going to the center of the earth when it starts going down like this. I don't know if there's actually a real way of saying it, but I like to say that. Oh, cool. What do you think? Under the sun, is it cool? Meh. There's a few of us South Africans here. Geordie, Knox. Who else? Where's everyone else? I feel like I'm missing a bunch of people. I am missing a bunch of people. Oh, you meant the stop would be... Okay, got it. Geordie, yeah, it will take time. We got this. Only true trader that you are. Thank you. tell? How do you know when the big players are here? I don't. Oh, Marco, no, that makes sense. Ah, really? Thank you. I've heard that. I've heard someone call it like elevator music. They clearly weren't fans of it. But I've heard a lot of people say that they really enjoy this. So I'm like, cool. I'm glad you enjoy it. Lichen, you think now, wait for a buy. Really? To be fair, it's nearly time for me to call it a day. Sorry. Really, if you want to download the music, I guess the link is in the description. You can go check out the name. In a market, a stop loss is breaks to your car. No, really, crap, that's so funny. Yeah, it sucks. If I want to bounce, this is the place to do so, right? So this was fun. I'm glad you had fun. Whoop, there it is. There's that equal low taken out. Is it headed now for the London low? I'm gonna stick around to see if it heads for the London lows. I need to know if I was wrong but correct. I said I think it might come for the equal low. Here it is, by the way. This is some equal lows and London low. It might bounce back up first though. I'm not sure. Now it's taking out those equal lows. Okay, what's the hint, Tube Treasure? Is it the consolidation? Whoop whoop for Bob! Amazing! Did Bob get into the short? 30 points to drop the 4. I believe. Hey Thomas, I believe. Maybe I should call you Santa Claus. Oh, that is amazing. Whoop whoops. I'm everywhere. Is you gonna pop it onto the Discord? Ah, okay, took out the equal lows. Now it's probably going to have a bit of a retracement back up. Let me set this up. Curiosity. Big institution dominating. What, basically, and then you just mark it in. Tube Treasure, right? I don't like doing those. I don't know, it's not great. It doesn't work for me. They leave a supply and demand. Oh, is that it? Oh, okay. Interesting. Interesting. That makes sense, though. Okay, it looks like it might just chill again. So I might call it there, guys. It's been a long day. So I'm chuffed. I'm chuffed. I managed 3 trades today, 2 break-evens, 1 win. Can't be upset about that. Super happy. Thanks, guys. Whoop whoop for everyone that had a great day today. There's always another trade for everyone that did not, but I'm hoping everyone did have an amazing day. And I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow for both the London and New York session. Again, depending on where you live, right? I don't expect you guys to wake up in the middle of the night for me. I'm not that demanding. I hope. Okay, but anyway, sorry. I love you guys madly. If you did have fun today, please don't forget to like the stream. You know, I don't know, tell your friends. But yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing time today. And for those of you, if any of you guys are with any of my affiliates and you want to help support and use my code, that would be much appreciated also. Okay, but I'm gonna go. I love you guys madly. See you then hopefully tomorrow. And it's Friday. It's Friday tomorrow. Okay, it's Friday. Okay, love you.